Okay, so now we are
Explain. Walls.
going to represent about walls. So now our type of walls
What's wall?
is just a simple one.
The part of wall? What is wall?
So there are the type of walls. Let us explore new ideas. Okay, what is wall? A wall is a continuous vertical brick or stone structure that encloses or defines an area, carries a load, provides security, shelter, profit, and many other benefits. What is the purpose of walls? We have here define the area in the building, define the boundaries, carries load of building and transfer it to the foundations, carries the load of the roof slab, acts as a sound barrier, ensures privacy and provides security, and the structure that defines the building. What is an interior walls? Interior walls enclosed within a building by outer walls of exterior walls, which consist of both load-bearing walls and load-bearing structures and walls that don't bear weight like that of a non-loading bearing structure is called. And also, there are types of interior walls materials. We have done something.
Yes. What walls?
These are the types of walls. These are the brick wall. Okay, Ernest, can you please?
A vertical element of structure made of bricks and mortar, which divides the components of a building into different parts. The brick wall is used as an external or interior wall of the building, parapets, internal partitions, freestanding walls, retaining walls, etc., etc.
Yes, and these are the types of walls. This is the type of walls or the brick walls. This is to build in a backyard or make a gate. Can also use in a fireplace. So, yes, also can build like a chimney. And now we are going to the stone wall. Stone walls used throughout the world in various forms. Even though it is very unsound concept to build a brick wall, it is used in modern days by applying various modifications to it. Stone walls can also be made in the. Anyways, we can design it in everywhere, like in the kitchen also, fireplace, build in the to have the gas stove standing, and also can also build it in a chimney also, even in the backyard and the garden. Balcony also can build in the balcony also. And next we have a glass wall. A glass wall, an interior wall extraction primarily made of glass or of an alternative to the glass. The form of glass partitions, glass panels are paired using material frames, channels, or prongs to create custom non-load bearing walls. There are lots of glass to use to build like our windows, our doors, and also this is used to build in the offices, restaurants. Yes, and yeah, there are also in a see-through bedroom. Can also build in the kitchen. Yeah. Next piece is the wood. Please, Ronan.
Utilized in the construction of ceilings and doors, whereas some woods are beneficial to make doors, furniture, as well as window frames.
Okay. Wood will also be used in when we go to the beach, there's a lot in the swimming toilets, right? Also, we can make the dismantle the natural one to build a roof. Can build the roof also, even the cottage that can be made by the wood.
And also, these woods are good wall material, but this material is quite expensive.
Yes.
However, the durability and longevity of wood is extremely good.
Okay, let's go to the next. Plywood wall. Plywood wall beneficial alternative to try for walls and ceilings. Plywood for walls are developed using premium quality raw material and is checked under the surveillance of extremely trained authorities. It proves looks to be a durable or easy work. Next is our cinder block wall. Please have
Utilize cinder block made of concrete, other full cinder which require necessary planning and supervision of its construction. But you can use it also for like outside the house to like put like a wall outside like a gate, but not gate. It's just like
barriers.
Yes.
Or similar to that of bricks, and the cinder blocks are stuck together, joined with a mortar made of the required cement, sand, and water ratio. These blocks are hollow from inside, which allows steel bars and mortar feeding within the blocks.
Okay, next. Next is our steel sheet wall. Expensive, it's quite durable, which has notable immense strength that offers a great advantage to houses. Not just durability and strength, it has the vital features of flexibility and defense. Steel sheet wall can be built also in the offices,
kitchen.
and in the kitchens,
Yes.
you know where the stoves are. Big
So
shop.
this one also is like we use this so that, like example in kitchen, because if you use tiles, it's quite dirty to use that. So this one it helps to easy to clean.
So now we are going to move to tiles and wall constructions. There are load bearing wall, non-load bearing wall, top wall, shear wall, retaining wall, brick masonry wall, rubber stone masonry wall, core wall, precast wall, parapet wall, boundary wall, reinforced brick wall, and cavity wall. Cavity
Yeah. Okay, there are two types. Like there are few types of bearing wall. So load bearing wall and non-load bearing wall. Load bearing wall is like carrying that weight. So something like that. You see the outside. And then the load bearing weight is you don't carry the heavy weight on the above. So there are two different types of. So this one is the load bearing that carry heavy. The other one is load.
Or a load-bearing wall is an active structural element of a building that supports and holds the weight of a floor or roof structure by conducting its weight to a foundation structure below it. It is one of the earliest forms of the construction in housing, and is also known as platform framing, being the most common method in light construction projects.
The next please.
Shear wall. A shear wall is a structural panel that is made of steel brace frames which can be very effective and can resist lateral force acting on it. Shear walls are constructed from concrete or masonry which is capable of resisting lateral forces. Particularly, shear walls are of great importance in large or high-rise buildings or buildings in areas of high wind and seismic activity. It can be positioned at the perimeter of buildings or it may form a shear core supporting the whole structure.
Okay, next.
Retaining wall. It's a wall of structure designed and constructed to support the soil. Like example, like a big garden, or it's just a side of a road. Sometimes there's a soil, so they put this retaining wall so that the soil won't like landslide.
Okay, let's move to the next. Brick masonry.
Brick masonry wall is of the versatile and durable building material as a result. Brick masonry wall has been used in building construction for thousands of years with considerable modification. Normally in Indonesia, in my country, we use the brick masonry walls. It's very common. And also rubble stone masonry wall. While constructing rubble stone masonry wall, more or less large stones are arranged together bound in such a way that the stones and the regular placement of stone accentuate the thickness of wall. In village, most people build their house using the rubble stone masonry wall. But in city, we're not using the kind of rubble stone masonry wall anymore. Mostly they use the brick masonry wall.
Okay, next, brunette, please.
Core wall. Construction of this wall starts from the foundation of the building and height. As that of the building, this wall functions as a column and shear wall. Similarly, like that of the shear wall, it serves the purpose of resist external lateral forces like wind, earthquakes. To resist the torsion effect, it is constructed exactly in the center of the building. Precast wall. Construction of precast concrete walls is initiated by casting concrete in a reusable wall mold or form, which is further cured in a controlled environment, transported securely to the construction site and lifted into the place of installation. The main purpose of installing the precast wall is to speed up the construction process. These walls are designed as blind divider or facade, which does not carry any load but must oppose parallel loads conferred on it.
Parapet wall. This is usually the topmost ridge of a wall that elongates above the roof level and provides a specific amount of protection to balconies, roof, gutters, walkways of houses. A boundary wall is a cast in situ or prefabricated structure available in a wide range of design that serves as a boundary wall or fencing of immovable property. It can also be explained as a wall, fence, or enclosure of structure constructed on or directly next to a cadastral property boundary with any other structures, including devices such as pipes, barbed wire, razor wire, or electric fence, affixed to or on top of a boundary wall for security purpose.
Okay, Ms. Renette.
Reinforced break wall. To tackle tensile force acting on the wall, this type of wall is constructed. The requirement of reinforcement is in horizontal and vertical directions throughout the wall. Hoop iron reinforcement is provided under various circumstances. This is deep in part to increase its resistance against rusting. Cavity wall. The cavity wall is constructed into two stages, inner and outer, with a cavity ranging from 50 to 100 mm, among which the interior walls are thinner and thicker. Wall is used as an exterior element. Wall thicker in nature carries all the loads of the slab, and the outer wall tends to resist external moisture and other effects.
Okay, that is our types of walls. And we have something. To other people, life is a process of knocking through walls to get out. But for others, it is the building of walls. That's all.
Yay! Mga designers na kami. Tapos na ang aming class today. Thank you, lovely day.